Guys, the garbage truck is here. What garbage truck is this? 28. He returned. Garbage truck 28 returned, guys. Let's go. He returned. Garbage truck 28 returned, guys. There he is right there. Driving the other way. Alright, Angel, if you're watching this, garbage truck 28 returned. Alright, there's garbage truck 28. He returned to my house. Look at that. Alright, there he goes. There goes garbage truck 28. A different garbage truck. Look at that. Oh, he was picking up yard waste. Well, there goes the garbage truck driving the other way. I never seen garbage truck 19, 23 driving this way before. They usually drove that way. This is the first time I've seen a garbage truck driving this way. Well, there goes the garbage truck driving the other way. Alright, let's see where he's gonna go. Where's garbage truck 28 going? He left. Well, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.